The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indiana Department of Health. A hazardous disease has begun to spread in the county of Sullivan, Indiana. The origin of the disease is unknown at this time. Currently reported symptoms of the unnamed disease include, but may not be limited to, migraines, dizziness, nausea, and any infected individual may also claim that sounds around them are a lot louder than usual. Because of the presence of this disease, over 200 individuals have been admitted to hospitals. At this time, you are advised to take the following safety precautions. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Wash your hands for 20 seconds before and after eating, after using the bathroom, and after going outside. If you begin to experience any of the previously listed symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Future updates will be provided through local media news outlets.
The civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties. All of Indiana. Effective until March 16, 2017 at 12 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The hazardous disease that began a few days ago has suddenly spread to all parts of Indiana. The disease still does not have a name, and it remains unknown where the disease originated. Symptoms of the disease are as follows. Dizziness, nausea, migraines, and aggression. Individuals infected with the disease also claim that all sounds around them, such as cars, televisions, and even people talking, seem to have increased in volume. The individual is reported to later become animalistic and act violently towards anyone around them. It is assumed that there is no way to recover from infection. Repeating, there is no known way to recover from infection. At this time, all citizens of Indiana are required to stay indoors at all times and do not go outside for any reason. Turn off all ventilation systems. Do not let anyone into your home under any circumstance. If anyone around you displays the previously mentioned symptoms or begins to suddenly act violently, call 911 immediately. If an infected individual breaks into your home, defend yourself by any means accessible to you. Stay tuned to local news outlets for further information.